Hello everyone, for today's video I would like to share that very tasty and delicious beef feet bone marrow soup with vegetable. First I put olive oil, garlic, and also ginger, onion, tomato, and also the bone marrow, beef bone marrow and beef feet. So it's very delicious. First I put that there and slice of beef meat and simmer it until the blood is gone, and also I add beef powder, beef cubes, and then I add water until fill up the pressure cooker, and add tomato, corn, and a pressure cooker 15 minutes, and also I have to put fish sauce. Then after the 15 minutes I pressure cooker, I took out the purine or the brown stuff that floating, and also the oil. Bell pepper, I add bell pepper, black pepper, and also salt. Black pepper and 1 pack of small Splendor sugar, and I add cabbage. It's very healthy, and add corn also, and more beef stock, salt to taste, beef stock to taste. And now I want half cook the cabbage. So our beef feet soup is almost gone. Almost done. Sorry, or ready to serve. In other words. So as you can see, it's very delicious and very tasty. You have to try this, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. Don't forget the post the notification bell, so every time I upload my video, you're always updated. I'm really sorry I was so busy, and I try my best to respond your comments, and leave comments, subscribe. Thank you for watching. To those who don't subscribe yet, please subscribe, and God bless to all of you. So our beef soup feet is ready to serve. Now we have to taste it. That's my lunch. I have no rice, just 1 corn, and that soup with vegetables. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel, and God bless to all of you. As you can see, it's really tasty and delicious. So time to eat, guys. Bye. See you in my next video.